Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about break and continue statement in PHP with the for loop. First I'm gonna show you break statement. For this, for initializing a value in a variable I, condition, suppose I less than 10, incremental value $I plus plus, and our statement echo test of break. Our value I, and we are getting 0 to 9. All the statements we are getting. Suppose we write there break, what happens? Nothing. The break statement makes jump out the loop immediately and come to the next statement out of the for loop. Next statement out of for loop. Nothing will be executed if we write there break. If we set a condition, suppose if I equal to 5, when I equal to 5, the loop is being out of scope. Come to the next statement. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when 5, that is being out of the loop, will not come to the next increment, next, everything will be stopped and will be out of the loop with the break statement. Now I'm gonna show you the continue. What continue statement do? Continue stop execution the next statement after continue in the looping and comes to the iteration to be increment or decrement according to our need, and will execute again and will continue the looping. Suppose I set her equal to 5, then at 5 that will not be executed, will get 6 and others. We're gonna test 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we don't have error, 6, 7, 8, 9 we have. So continue stop execution the next statement of the continue and come back to the iteration and we'll check the logic and execute again. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.